This is the moon at the end of the 11th month. We can see it's almost completely transparent. You can see right through it. It's because the scriptures are true. And the moon is light. It's a heavenly body. The moon gives her light and counts off the month. And at the beginning of the month, you have the first crescent light. It's the first light. Shows the first of a new month by light. You get to the middle of the month, it's full of light. And then it starts to decrease. So you get to the end of the month. And that's where we're at now, the end of the 11th month. That's how the moon works, month by month, to show time. Just as God says, just as Jehovah says. This whole world is deceived in this time, in this last generation. How the heavens work. See the moon? The sun right next to it. Both above the horizon. It's a cold day today. You need a big storm soon. It's important in this time to understand how the moon works for time, because the beast in the end time changes times and laws of the Most High. See? It's transparent. Tomorrow there'll be less light. So we get to about 4 or 5 days from now, 6 days maybe, it'll be the start of a new cycle. You'll have the new crescent moon starting from the other side. And before we have that crescent moon of the 12th month, the moon will completely give no light. You cannot find it in the sky because it is transparent at that point. For a day or two, until it shines again and shows the new month, which will be upcoming next week. I think Wednesday or Thursday. We'll have the 12th month. That's how these things work. This world again is completely deceived to believe men land on this, and it is not a terrestrial body. It is pure light. You can't land on something that's not physical. You can't fly a rocket ship to that. Lots of deception in this time. Yeah. See right through it. It's a very powerful camera. The ordinance of the heavens, how God has ordered things.